Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. It's the 1st of December. This came yesterday, which means it is time for the next Crochet Society box. So again, cue lots of rustling. So this is our Christmas themed box, and it's got this really pretty reindeer. It's so pretty. Let's get this way. It's really pretty. So let's get it open, shall we? Again. So it says, "'Tis the season to get crafted." Lovely pink tissue paper, and let's get this open. Ooh, I've not had this yarn before. Highlands Heathers by Stylecraft. Oh, these are big chunky balls. Highlands Heather. This is Grist. It is 100% premium acrylic DK weight. Where's it? 100 grams. So 100 grams is approximately 272 meters of yarn. Feels quite nice. So we've got it in the Grist colourway and in Wild Salmon, which is kind of blowing out on the screen. It's more of like a dusky pink colour with a little bit of the brown tone within it. So they look really nice together. And rather than the usual little bag of stuffing we get, the box is filled with stuffing. That's quite a lot of stuffing. So let's put that to one side, shall we? There's a little bauble. I like a little bauble. Right, let's have a proper look. So we have one of these two-piece baubles, so they go together. Little clear bauble. So I wonder what is going to be in the box. We've got a cookie cutter in the shape of a Christmas tree. So I wonder if there's a recipe in here then. Sweet Treats cookie cutter. I can't talk. Oh, that's really pretty. We've got a little reindeer for our stitch marker this month. Let's get that close so you can see. He's got a little red nose. Is that a little Rudolph? There is a little bit of metallic yarn. Not sure what that's for. I've got a little envelope here, so let's have a look. How am I going to get this open with one dodgy finger? Oh, this is the eye. That's the safety eyes. So they're all tidy. Take that back up. We've then got, oh, these are cute. They're like little tags, but they've got like washing instructions on them. So they've got made by, size, fibre and care. Can you see those properly? And then all the different washing instruction symbols. And my screen is not focusing on them. That's perfect to put with any makes that you give as gifts. Oh, there's some envelopes which say Crochet Society on the back. I'm not sure you're going to see this because it's really faint. There we go. So this is crochet on the back. These are pretty. 'Tis the season to get crafting. Oh, these are different cards. So we have this one with some Christmas trees. We also have the sweetest gifts are handmade with snowflakes. And season's sweetings with the little reindeers. So they'll each go in one of those envelopes. They're quite nice actually. Again, we've got our little cheat sheet. This one again says, "'Tis the season to get crafting." So that gives you all the abbreviations on the back and your, what is it? Conversion chart. That's what I always forget. Oh, these are sweet. We've got little stickers that say "Made with love and lovingly handmade for you." And they're metallic. That's perfect to put on some gifts. Oh my gosh. I've just seen the picture on the book and it is so adorable. We have a little card with the link to the videos. We have, oh, a super sparkly crochet hook. And it's pink and sparkly, and it won't show up on my screen. And it is a 3.25 hook. And the book is rather thick again, so look at the front cover! Oh, he is just too sweet. I'm so making him or her. That's really cute. So, snuggling up in front of a classic Christmas movie with a box of biscuits and some cosy crochet is one of life's greatest little pleasures. It certainly is. This one is the theme of season's sweetings, so it's Christmas time. We have all of, oh, they're pretty. Had to have snowflakes, didn't we? So that is everything in this book for this month. Those are the 3 projects. So we've got a little reindeer in the bauble. We've also got a scarf, and we've got some little festive frosty motifs, which are little snowflakes. We've got tea and chat with Fran from Crochet Love Melbourne. We've got the page about what's in our box. Christmas tree cookies. Oh, I have to see what that is. So Fran Morey is our designer chat this month. Oh, that's really pretty blankets. We've then got wintry scarf, which uses both the colourways. See, I'm assuming it's half of the pink and half of the brownie colour. We've then got the page which has everything in our box. And I realised last month that every time I hold this up I'm showing you the code. Try and cover the code. So that's everything in the box this month. We've got Highland Fling. Oh, this is a little chat about the new yarn, the Highland Heather's yarn. And there's loads of different colours available for that, which is really sweet. So I'm going to have a look at that. Oh, they're really pretty. The snowflake patterns for this month. They would look really nice as a garland or hung up just in the window, wouldn't they? I can see them done in loads of different colours. There is a page on how to make gingerbread cookies using the tree cutter. I've not made gingerbread before, so I may have to have a go at that too. Oh, there's all different examples as well on how to do that, how to use that recipe. Look at the penguins! They're really cute. Oh, they're in a book, so they're in Christmas Cookies by Hannah Miles. So if you want to have a look at those. Oh, there's competitions. Win and save. Oh, this one's from Sugar and Sloth. I love her stuff. She's so quirky. Really cute drawings. And last one, the littlest reindeer. So I think I'm definitely going to be making that one up. It's just too sweet not to make up. Haven't even started the squirrel from last month yet. And as always, there is a page with everybody else's makes that we share over on Facebook and over on Instagram. It's really lovely to see what everybody gets up to. And then as always, we get a little sneak preview of the next box. So that is this month's box. I really like the reindeer. I really like the reindeer. So I'm not sure what whether this will all go back in the box. So I think I might have to use these cards for my Christmas cards this year because I haven't had a chance to go and get any. Usually I try to design one for the year, same as my husband, but in our own little different ways, and just haven't been feeling it, to be perfectly honest. So it's going to be an interesting Christmas, that's for sure. But I've got some really pretty yarn now that I can work something up with, or work it up into something interesting for this year. I don't know how this is going to go back in. I'm going to have to try and put that one in. There we go. It's in the box. And I've got it stuff everywhere. Surely we don't need all of that stuff in for that little reindeer. But that is this one's box, and I'm rather pleased with it. I thought I was a little worried that I wasn't going to like it, but I quite like it. It's really sweet. So maybe we'll have a little reindeer for Christmas. As always, I'll put all of the information down below for you. So if you are looking to get hold of one for yourself, then the information will be there for you, and all the links to get to the shop. Sometimes they put them back in stock for if you miss them, then you can go and pick one up from the Crochet Society store. And yeah, time to get crocheting. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all again soon. Bye.